let's create a let's create a database for our project. Okay, so you just need to right click and name it POS DV, and then open it and right click and then click the git bash here. If you don't have a git bash installed in your computer, you just need to uh, visit this website and click this download for Windows. And after you have downloaded it, just installed it. No need for any extra configuration, just click next button. And after the installation, and you try to right click here, so you will be able to see the git bash here, and then you click it, and then let's type some command to for us to create a Django. First, we need to create a Django project for us to run the make migrations and migrate. That's the command to create a database. And let's add some models in our models.py. So first, pip-nb shell. This code simply tells the computer to create an environment for our Python project. So press enter. Okay, so let's clear the screen. The next command is pip-nb install Django. So this command simply tells us that this we're going to install a Django module to our environment that just have created. Okay, so after we have installed the Django to our environment, the next command is to create a Django project. So it takes a while to completely install the module. It depends on the speed of your internet. So I have a slow internet connection. That's the reason why it takes some time. Okay, so let's clear the screen. So the next command is Django admin start project. So this command simply will create a project, a Django project. So let's name it POSDV, and don't forget to add that at the end. So hit enter. Okay, so if you have noticed, we have a new folder here. So this is a Django project. So after that, we need to create a new an app. So let's just update this. You just need to press arrow up or arrow down. So to select the previous command that we have entered. So start app. Then go admin start app and name it let's name it DB fields. Okay, so if you have noticed again, so there's another folder called DB fields. So we will put our models, our database fields here in this DB fields. Okay, but before that, we need to configure it. So it's really a minimal configuration. So right click it and open with code. So if you don't have a VS Code in your computer, so first you need to install it again. So go to their website and type in VS Code and click the first link and click the download for Windows. So after that, uh, you need to install it, and after you have installed it and you try to right click here, So you will be able to see this open with code. So click that. Okay, so in Django project, so before we're able to use the application, this app, this TV fields, first we need to register it to our settings.py. So it's really simple to register it. Just go here from this line, and at the end, just add. So whatever the name of our app, just write it here. So the name of our app is DB Fields. So that's we're going to add it here. So DB Fields. Okay. So after that, so let's test if our app is working. So simply run the Python manage.py run server. Okay. So let's just check. So go to localhost dash. Okay, so the install works successfully. So congratulations. Okay, so now we need to update this models.py. So this is the last step that we need to do. Just visit this website. I have posted all the codes from this website. HTTPS. This is a public repository of all the codes that I will be using. So we're here. So prefer a database and table field. So just click it, and then you will share here. So just click copy, and the code will automatically will be copied. And then remove all the codes here, and right click and paste. So these are all the fields that we will be using. So cashier, customers, and then cash on hand per cashier transactions, and then invoice and product services, expenses, settings, package items, stocks. So okay, so we need before we use it, so we need to run the make migration first. So we have an error. Just remove some extra indentation. So okay, so there's no error now. So let's stop the server and type python manage.py make migration. Okay, so and the last command that we need to run is migrate. Okay, so we have already added the tables, all the tables that we have pasted into our um, database. So by the way, our database is called a db.sqlite tree. So this will be the database that we were going to use for our POS system. Okay, so that's it, and see you in the next tutorial.